Our topic is text message. Okay. So first thing I want to ask you: do you like texting?
Yeah, sometimes I like it because when we are not able to communicate through call and through the other ways of communication, we usually go through the text, and it is a traditional way because people nowadays people are also using it in social media side, but it's quite traditional, and I like that part because in text messaging we are I mean we can have a communication with the one who are sending and receiving, this kind of thing happen. And
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. See, one thing I find is that people actually right now you're describing general things, right? So you can say that instead of saying people are using, you could say people use, right? Because you are talking about general things like people लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं. People generally use this social media website. People are using. I think it is better if you use the simple present tense. Okay, because my question was in simple present tense. Do you prefer sending or receiving messages?
in general
In general, I'm
circumstances,
saying. Yeah, brother. Right. Right.
yeah, I prefer it because
I prefer what?
yes,
Receiving or sending?
yes, I prefer receiving and sending messages because through this we have a communication bridge, and this is I mean
No, no, no. See, my question right now: do you prefer sending or receiving messages? Like, if you have to choose one of them, for example, which one would you choose? Like, receiving message or sending messages?
yeah, most of the time I would prefer sending messages
Okay, right, right.
because through this we can build a vocabulary also.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, mashallah. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Right. Okay. Have you ever received a confusing text message?
One time I received it. I mean, they were giving job opportunities, and I don't know who sent this message to me, but this was kind of job opportunity in the outside of my country, in outside of India, and they were giving some work to me.
They
Huh.
what did you say? They were giving.
They were giving some work to do. I mean to do. I mean, if you are interested in that
Uh-huh.
work, you can apply that. And I
Okay.
don't know who are the senders. When I was very confused,
Who were the
were the
senders?
senders, and I was little bit confused about it.
Okay.
So I don't give prefer to priority to it, and I just escape it.
Right. In what circumstances is making a phone call better than sending a text message?
If you have a long conversation and you have to talk with the long hours, so you can use prefer the calling, because in text messages you will not be able to text that kind of thing, some kind of thing which you cannot explain them in the text message, so you can directly call them.
I preferred calling rather than texting someone because I think sometime the our messages are ignored by people. They don't look at them, or sometimes they do not come online, so they do not see the message. Right. So I preferred calling rather than texting. However, it depends. For example, let's say if in case of emergency, so let's say I preferred meeting face to face. Will you say that sending text message is a waste of time?
No, by sending messages we can have conversation. So some of the time it can be useless, but most of the time if you're in not in conversation with the others because of you are arguing with them, and you're not comfortable with them, so you can text them. And most of the time people prefer to messaging in circumstances like if they have fight with someone and
Right.
they are not agree with them,
Right.
so it is the best way to come to you can communicate them through this way.
Right. And but there one more thing. Actually, what happened like last night? Actually, I was having a conversation with my friend. He told, give me one logical reason why calling or like video call is better than texting message. So, what would be your first reason? Like calling is better or meeting face to face is better. One reason. What would be rather than texting?
Okay, So if you are calling or video calling someone, so you can, I mean, judge their tune and their attitude. I mean,
Yeah,
what they
that
behave.
their
Yes,
emotion,
their
feelings.
emotion,